In a new era of change, data and AI stand at the very core. At LG Energy Solution, AX drives the future. AX is more than adopting technology. We reimagine the entire battery value chain with AI. Centered on AI, we proactively identify potential issues, optimize processes in real time, and use Vision AI to uncover hidden defects. Digital twins simulate processes virtually before they take shape in reality. As a result, quality became even more precise. Productivity and yield reached the highest levels of performance. Our goal is clear: sustainable competitiveness, powered by AI. Next, we showcase how AI is reshaping every part of our battery chain. Witness the transformation ahead.